Hello everyone, welcome to Free Chess Videos for All. Today the game I prepared for you guys is the game played by two magicians. I would say I got the request from Mr. Partho from Tripura, that is in Northeast India. So Rashid Najmidinov is playing with white pieces and Mikhail Tal is playing with black pieces. This game was played in 1961 in the USSR Championship in Baku. So without delay, let's jump in. So Rashid started with e4, black replied with c5, Sicilian defense, knight f3, d6, d4, c takes d4, knight takes d4 and knight f6 to attack this pawn. So to protect it, knight c3. These are very common move in Sicilian defense. Now there are few moves available here, but like a6 or knight c6, but Tal went for Scheveningen system e6. Bishop e2, knight bd7, castle, a6, f4, queen c7. Instead of queen c7 here, you can go for b5 also. Okay. The next move is g4 to attack. Like the plan could be to push the pawn to g5 and kick that knight away, right? So b5. Now this square is very important because black is trying to push the b5 pawn to b4 and kick this knight away. Okay. So instead of pushing g5, Najmudinov went for a3, bishop b7. Now this pawn is attacked by this knight and this bishop, so you have to protect it, right? So bishop f3. Now Tal brought the knight at c5, so attacking this pawn again. So to protect that, queen e2. Now Tal went for e5. So instead of e5 here, you can play h6 also. In that case, white can't move the g5 pawn. Sorry, g4 pawn, because if he moves the g4 pawn to g5, you can h takes g5, then f takes g5, and you can move this knight to suppose d7. So in that case, the structure of the pawn in king side, it would be disturbed. So black can take advantage of that situation. So instead of pushing g4 to g5, you can go for e5. So d takes e5, f takes e5. Now this knight is attacked, so it can go to h7 or d7. Suppose you go to t7. So again, white can play b4 and attack this knight. Now this knight has only one square. It can go to a4. Now knight takes a4, b takes a4. Now the pawn structure in queen side would be disturbed, but it's not an unplayable position. Black can defend it. So we would see into that in some other video. Now let's go to the original position. So instead of pushing h6, Tal pushed e5, attacking this knight. Okay. So knight went to f5. Now g6, attack the f5 knight again. So Najmudinov played f takes e5. So if g takes f5, then e takes f6. Okay. But instead of g takes f5, Tal went for d takes e5. Now this knight is attacked again. So it moved to h6. Knight come to e6. So it might come to f4 in next move. Bishop g2. Now Tal played bishop g7. But instead of bishop g7, he should have gone for knight f4, because if bishop takes f4, e takes f4 and e5, then this knight you can move it to d5. Now knight takes d5, bishop takes d5, bishop takes d5. Now queen c5 check, you have to protect it using your queen. You can take the bishop. Now rook d1 go to queen c6. This is not a easy position for black, no doubt, but you see the next move. If white plays a bad move here, this f8 bishop could come to c5, and this would be like easily you can take this queen, right? So you have to analyze this position very closely. We would see that in some other video. Let's go back to the position. So instead of playing knight f4, he went for bishop g7. But it is sort of a mistake because Najmuddinov came with a very good move here. You can pause the video and think a bit. I hope you found the move. It rook takes f6. Bishop takes f6. Now knight d5. This bishop and queen both are attacked. But you can't take this using this bishop, because if you take it, this is the move. Now you have to move away your knight. Suppose you go there. Now again your queen is attacked, and next move this rook would be gone because this bishop is there, right? So you can't play that. Let's go back. So queen d8, protecting this bishop, right? So to attack it again, queen f2. Now we have to see it very closely here, because if you have an option of playing bishop takes d5 here, because the queen has moved, right? Yeah, suppose bishop takes d5. d5. Now you come here. Again bishop takes d5. Takes it. But this situation would be very critical for black, because rook can come to e1, queen can go to c5. This would be very dangerous for black. Yes, so instead of playing bishop cross d5, Tal played knight f4. So bishop takes f4, e takes f4, and e5. But here Tal missed a very good move. He went for bishop takes e5. But instead of bishop takes e5, you can play bishop h4. Because you have to see one thing, this knight is attacked by this queen and this bishop. So if, and you can't take this bishop because the queen is protecting it. So instead of, and also queen can't take this f4 pawn also, because this knight would be gone. So it was a good move, but Tal didn't play it. So he went for bishop takes e5. So rook e1. He missed a good move again here. He went for f6. But instead of f6, he could play bishop takes d5. If bishop takes, sorry, if rook takes e5, then you can block the check by playing bishop e6. This bishop can take the rook, yes, obviously, and queen takes a8. But this position, and suppose queen takes f4, this position I would say it's a very complex one, but black has something to do here. Suppose queen a7, then it would be a check. So we have to again deeply analyze this position, but it's playable from black side, I would say. Okay, so now yes, okay, he went for f6, but it's a mistake I would say, because knight takes f6, then queen f6 and queen d4. Now you can't move the bishop, so king f8. Now rook takes e5. Now trying to exchange the queen, queen d8, rook f5 check. You take the rook, but this rook is also gone. Now king e7. Now queen g7 check. It can't come to f6. So, and if you go to d6, this knight would give a check and your queen would be gone. So yeah, come back. So king e6, g takes f5. Now again you have to move to d6 and it would be a check and the queen would be gone. So Tal resigned here at g takes f5. So it was a great win from Najmuddinov. So he showed that one or two mistakes and the complete situation is like under out of black's hand. So you have to few like variation we have to see closely. So I'll try to analyze more and I'll bring up one more video with those analysis. So I'll inform you guys regarding that video. So if you like it, just subscribe the channel and try to share and like the videos. Okay, and I'll see you soon. Okay, see ya.